Start.
Okay, these are the Havenese, the Havachons. Mom's a Havenese, the dad's Bichon, her champion Mickey. The biggest one here is a girl. This one is a boy. This is the cutest one. He's got some nice little caramel spots on him. This one is a boy. This one's cute. And that other one's a girl. So there's 2 boys and 2 girls. And they're 7 weeks old, so they're ready to go. And look, real playful and healthy. Puppies, come here. Puppies, come here. I like that one. Hi, girls. Come on. Puppies, puppies. This is my favorite one. So cute. I know. They're just real characters. Hello, girls.